Hi everyone, it's Matt from Greatness Everyday. And in this video, I wanted to invite you into my life and show you what I have around me whenever I complete my work, day in, day out. And if you like anything that you see and you want to know more about the products that you see in this video, you can find them linked in the description down below. I really am looking forward to doing this type of video. It's something a little bit different than the other videos that we do on our channel. So if you like the video, please click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more of these types and other types of videos to help you live a great life. So let's get started. If you look at kind of the center part of my desk, obviously, is my computer. I use both Windows and Mac, but primarily for everything that I do with Greatness Everyday. And my main computer definitely is this iMac, all right? So I really like the Mac for many reasons, but this is kind of the day in, day out computer that I use. I just use the standard Apple mouse as well as the wireless keyboard. I find those are great. They're easy to move around and I've never had any problems with them, so that's great to see. I always have an adapter as well, a power charger, sorry, that I'm able to power my either iPad or my phone, which I have on the desk as well. On the far left side, I do have my iPad. It's in this nice little slick Apple case. I love the iPad Pro for many different reasons. It's really, really easy to carry around. It's light, obviously, it does a lot. But the biggest thing for me is this. I have the Apple Pencil, which allows me to really kind of use my Apple iPad as essentially as a notebook. This is a game changer for me, ability to take notes, draw, do sketches, and it's a super powerful tool that I take with me wherever I go. So next, after you look at the iPad that I have on my desk, I have this funny thing here, and this is what I use. It's a microphone. It's a blue snowball mic, and for anybody that's interested in podcasting or recording audio, I definitely have to say this is probably one of the cheapest mics and best quality mics you can get at an entry-level starting point. And then on top of it, I have a newer pop filter, which just kind of takes away the harsh sounds when you're recording audio. I use this every day for the Greatness Everyday podcast, and it's great to have on my desk, easy to grab, do it voiceovers with it and things like that for our Greatness Everyday videos. I think it was something like 50 bucks, so it's very affordable, but super good quality. So that's always on my desk as well. Okay, next, I of course have my iPhone. Here's my iPhone. I have my wallet attached to it. It all kind of slips in the back. If you can see that, the cards go in the back here, in and out. So that's super handy. It's really easy, super convenient. I usually leave it on my desk or in this little contraption. And this is a Joby Gorillapod hybrid, I believe. It's got an adapter on it. It's an Aki, I'm not really sure, an Aki through Amazon iPhone adapter. And it's a really good tool for me to just be able to, rather than look down at my phone all the time when it's on my desk, I can set it up in this rig. I can be working at my computer desk and I'll be able to see my phone if I get any notifications or what's happening on Instagram or messages and things like that super easily without having to look down and turn my neck too much. So next, obviously, I have a coaster. I have the Greatness Everyday coaster just to kind of help me and inspire me to work a little bit harder day in and day out, and obviously stay hydrated. And then over here on the right hand side of my desk, the last things that I have, obviously first a pen, okay, a pen, pencil. I always have a pen on me. I use that to fill out my journal here. I do the 5-minute journal. It's a gratitude journal that I do every morning and every evening. You should always have a pen with you, always have something to write with and something to write on at any time. Nowadays, it's a lot easier with the fact that we have iPads and iPhones and whatever type of phone you have, you're always got a device seemingly right beside you at all times. So it's easy, but I do like to carry a pen around because you never know when you're going to need one. And I have the book that I'm reading at the time. So that's the last thing on my desk. Right now, as part of the Greatness Everyday book club, we're reading The Ripple Effect by Dr. Greg Wells. So I always have the book. As soon as I'm done this book and I start reading another one, I place that on my desk as well with my journal and my pen, and that completes everything that's on my desk. Now I do try to keep my desk as simple as possible, as well as neat as possible. Obviously that doesn't happen all the time. So I really need to reset a few times, maybe a few times a year for sure, maybe even more often than that. I need to reset and just kind of refocus and get rid of some junk. I'm undergoing a move right now, so it's been easy for me to kind of reset, take advantage of that move, get rid of some things, and just make sure that my desk and workspace is clean so that I can keep that workflow going and be efficient and get a lot of stuff done. So this video was definitely a little bit different than the regular types of videos that I do on this channel. If you liked it, let me know. If you want to see any other video topics, please let me know in the comments below as well. And give this video a thumbs up and share it with somebody else. Really appreciate you watching. I hope this video was something a little bit different and you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next video.